reka mbabwire,
Let me tell you,
ibintu byose amaso atwereka
everything you see with your eyes,
ni byiza,
they are good,
ariko si ngombwa.
but they are not necessary.
Imbaraga zo kubyanga
The power to restrain
ziri muri wowe.
is in you.
Icyo amaso yawe gusabye byose si ngombwa ngo uyahe.
You don't have to consume everything your eyes asks you to do.
Icyo umunwa wawe ugutegetse kumira si ngombwa ngo ukirye.
You don't swallow everything your mouth tells you to swallow.
Ubishobora ninde?
Who has this power? Yes, they are.
Umugabo ajya mu iduka,
A man enters a shop.
akareba akenda gahenze ke wenyine akakagura.
He sees an expensive cloth or outfit, he buys.
Umugore yajya mu iduka,
When a wife enters,
akareba ibintu byagabanyije ibiciro byose kandi abifite mu rugo akabigura.
he looks at everything that is on discount, yet she has the same thing and she buys.
Inkweto zose atunze ariko zagabanyije igiciro arazitahana. Mu rwego rw'umuryango,
At the family level,
umugabo niwe principal, niwe kapitale, niwe key, niwe rufunguzo.
the husband is the principal, is the key.
Umugabo yakwica urugo rwe, umugabo yakiza urugo rwe. Ifite ikibazo cya leadership.
The world has the issue of leadership.
Iyo uhagaze nk'umulida, umuntu wese arakuyoboka.
When you stand as a leader, you have followers.
Umugabo ni umulideri w'urugo.
A husband or a man is a leader.
Yaba amategeko ya Canada, yaba ya Amerika, yaba y'Ubuholande, umugabo ni umulideri. Bamanuke bazamuke, umugabo ni gute umwana wibyariye mu nda yawe aza yambaye ubusa ugatinya kumubwira, nuko utashize igicaniro mu nzu. Hari abantu baba ahantu bashobora ku-influence byinshi.
There are people who have influential position.
Abo bantu,
Those people,
iyo ahindutse,
when they change,
byibuze igice kinini kirahinduka.
the big part of the society changes as well.
Influence yabo igenda itandukanye.
Their influence has impact.
Kuko twese turi abana ba Abraham.
We are all sons of Abraham.
Kuki Bibiliya ivuga ngo abana ba Abraham?
Why does the Bible say sons of Abraham?
Abrahamu yahawe ubwami,
Because kingdom was given to Abraham.
ahabwa ubukire,
He was given riches.
ahabwa ubutaka,
He was given land.
ahabwa isi.
He was given the world.
Niba turi abana b'uwo muntu,
If we are sons of that person,
natwe twakagombye kugira ibyo bintu.
we should possess all those things.
Ariko ntabyo dufite,
We don't have
kubera kwikunda
because we are selfish
no kubabaza abandi.
and we offend people.
Ibi nibyo byatumye
These two things
tutagira zone ya influence mu buzima bwacu.
prevent us from being influential in our life.
Uko rero bigenda bikurikirana nuko
As things follow,
bihera kuri base umutima w'umuntu.
it starts from your heart, the
Ugomba
basis.
kubanza kujera umutima wawe wowe ku giti cyawe.
You have to manage your heart, you yourself.
Icyo umutima ugusabye cyose si ngombwa gukiwuhe.
You don't have to give everything that your heart asks you to.
Icyo amaso yawe agusabye byose si ngombwa ngo uyahe.
You don't have to consume everything your eyes asks you to do.
Icyo umunwa wawe ugutegetse kumira si ngombwa ngo ukirye.
You don't swallow everything your mouth tells you to swallow.
Ubishobora ninde?
Who has this power?
Ni umuntu wamenye kudirija umutima we,
You can only restrain if you know how to manage your heart.
biciye muri discipline.
Through discipline.
Ati no,
I say no.
umubiri urabishaka,
My flesh wants.
amaso yabibonye,
My eyes have seen.
kandi kashe ndayifite,
And I have cash.
ariko ndanze.
But I say no.
Kuko nuvuga ngo no ntabwo upfa.
When you say no, you won't die.
Kutambara urukweto rw'irari ntibituma upfa.
Not having the shoe that you lasting, you won't cause you
Kutagura
to die.
agasakame karenze kandi mufite amakredi menshi ntibituma upfa.
Not buying that handbag yet you have so many debt, it won't kill you.
Burya amaso y'abadamu atandukanye n'ay'abagabo.
Eyes of women are different from men's eyes. Yes, they are.
Umugabo ajya mu iduka,
A man enters a shop.
akareba akenda gahenze ke wenyine akakagura.
He sees an expensive cloth or outfit, he buys.
Umugore yajya mu iduka,
When a wife enters,
akareba ibintu byagabanyije ibiciro byose kandi abifite mu rugo akabigura.
he looks at everything that is on discount, yet she has the same thing and she buys.
Inkweto zose atunze ariko zagabanyije igiciro arazitahana zose, zose ibyo byagabanyije igiciro.
The same pairs of shoes she has home, because in the store they are on discount, she buys them.
Uko niko Imana yaturemye dutandukanye.
That's how God created us.
umugabo nawe akareba akenda gahenze ke.
And the man looks at the most expensive outfit.
Agasentire keza, agakweto keza,
A nice belt, a nice shoe,
agasaha keza,
a nice watch.
akakagura.
He buys it.
Bagahurira na mushiki wacu afite ibikapo byinshi, undi afite akantu kamwe.
They meet home with one, and the wife has a lot of bags full of things.
Reka mbabwire,
Let me tell you,
ibintu byose amaso atwereka
everything you see with your eyes,
ni byiza,
they are good,
ariko si ngombwa.
but they are not necessary.
Imbaraga zo kubyanga
The power to restrain
ziri muri wowe.
is in you.
Niwe uvuga no cyangwa yes.
You say, you have the power to say yes or no.
Ubwo ni urwego rwa mbere.
That's level number
Urwa
one.
kabiri
Second level,
ni urwego rw'umuryango.
it's family level.
Mu rwego rw'umuryango,
At the family level,
umugabo niwe principal, niwe kapitale, niwe key, niwe rufunguzo.
the husband is the principal, is the key.
Umugabo yakwica urugo rwe, umugabo yakiza urugo rwe.
A husband can kill his family, but a husband can heal his
Si umugore,
family. It's not the wife,
umugabo
it's husband.
niwe Imana yahaye urufunguzo.
God gave the key to the
Umugabo
husband.
ashiraho principe z'urugo.
A man or a husband puts in place
Ndavuga
principles.
umugabo ukijijwe,
Are saved or born again
sinimba mvuga
husband.
umugabo w'igiparapara w'umupagani.
I'm not talking about the unsaved one.
Umugabo ukijijwe,
A man that has received salvation.
ntituzaryama muri iyi nzu nta masengesho,
We will not sleep in this house
kuko ni
without praying.
pasiteri w'umuryango.
Because you are the pastor in that church.
Ashira igicaniro mu nzu.
He puts a prayer
Kuwa mbere,
Monday.
kuwa kabiri, so
Tuesday.
ahitamo umunsi muri famiye bakora kirite ya famiye bose, nta mwana n'umwe unyaragiye ngo agiye ari undi. Mwese aha saa moya twese turarya, niturangiza dukore kirite. Niwe uzabwiriza kuri uyu munsi, uriya munsi niwe uzabwiriza, buri muntu akaba pasiteri. Iyo gahunda uyishiraho ni umugabo. Iyo wayishizeho urugo rwawe ntirusambuka.
The husband puts in place a schedule of prayer and gathering together as a family. If you do that, you teach your children and your wife to follow the principles, your family will be
Muri icyo gicaniro
in that gathering.
niho mubaza abana impamvu adakemura uriya musatsi.
You ask why you have that style of your hair.
Kuki wambaye ipantaro ishanyaguritse ku mavi?
Why do you have those pants that have?
Kugushira amaherene mu gutwisha.
Why do you put
Naho muri eglise yo mu.
It's home church.
Kuko mutabigira ubona umwana yakwambara ibintu ukavuga ngo uyu ni uwande, ariko iyo mugira igicaniro mu nzu nta mwana witwarana.
Because you don't do that, your children come home and then you wonder, where did they pick this habit?
Ni gute umwana wibyariye mu nda yawe aza yambaye ubusa ugatinya kumubwira? Nuko utashize igicaniro mu nzu. Ubu ngubu hari ikibazo hagati y'ababyeyi n'abana, kuko batabatangije bakiri bato kurajya kugorora igiti cyakuze. Noneho umwana agahita agenda akaguta, cyangwa se akazigiye ashakiye, cyangwa agashaka inzu ye, kuko utangiye kwiranda konde, kuko abandi babivuga hanze. Umwana w'akana karaniranye, wagera mu nzu ngo ngumaha wisohoka, n'abatinda sohoka. Ameze nka rasoro ukandagira irashyubuka, kuko ntiwamukoze hakiri kare, ubu utangiye gukoraho agashibuka kajya hejuru. Ntibyashoboka. No. You missed. Hari opportunity watakaje.
Yes.
Fata uyu munsi urugo rwawe urugire itorero, urugire urugo rwawe urugirike nani sanctuary, urugire ushire mu gicaniro.
Sanctuary. Yes. Nowadays, there are conflict between parents and children. Reason why? Because you didn't start early. Now you're noticing bad behavior and you can't control because they have matured. Start again, put a sanctuary, home church, and redirect your family.
Ufite influence ya decision ni umugabo.
The man holds the influential.
Niba umugore wawe ari utegeka wowe udategeka waratakaje.
If your wife takes the leadership and you don't take the leadership, you have failed.
Ufite hands on akaba ari umugore ndayo ufite hari ikibazo.
If the wife have the hands on, you have failed.
Niko Canada imeze, ntabwo ariko Canada imeze. Umugore wawe ntiwamweretse mugitangira uriwe n'ivy'Imana yaguhamagara. Si Canada, we blaming Canada, ni wowe. Tu es responsable. Ntiwamujeye mu buryo bwiza. Nta rukundo wamweretse bituma kubaha.
You did not manage your wife well. You did not show love. You did not show the leadership. Don't start blaming the country you are in. Play your role as a husband.
Isi ifite ikibazo cya leadership.
The world has the issue of leadership.
Iyo uhagaze nk'umulida umuntu wese arakuyoboka.
When you stand as a leader, you have followers.
Umugabo ni umulideri.
a husband or a man is a
yaba
leader.
amategeko ya Canada yaba ya Amerika yaba y'Ubuholande umugabo ni umulideri bamanuke bazamuke umugabo n'umugabo.
Regardless of which country you are in, the US, Canada, Holland, a husband, a man has a leadership position.
Ariko ikibazo
The issue is
dufite abagabo badakontorora
we have men that are not controllable.
bakontororwa n'abana
They are controlled or led by
kuko
their
avuga
children.
icyongereza utakizi umwana niwe ugutumanura mu cyobo ujyamo.
Because your children speak English, you don't, they lead you where they want.
Akujyana igihe yabishakiye ntagendera kuri appointment zawe agendera kuzi nawe ukora appointment zawe based kuze uwazakubaha ryari.